The top 10 richest countries in the world by overall GDP in 2024 are United States of America, USA, GDP $28,783 billion. The USA's massive GDP is supported by a diverse and technologically advanced economy, with significant contributions from sectors like technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. The presence of global corporations, a culture of innovation, and a strong service sector also play key roles. China GDP $18,536 billion. China's impressive GDP stems from its status as the world's factory, with extensive manufacturing and export operations. Investments in infrastructure and a growing domestic market contribute to its economic strength. Germany GDP $4,730 billion. Germany's strong GDP is attributed to its expertise in engineering and manufacturing, particularly in the automotive and machinery industries. It also benefits from a highly skilled workforce and a focus on innovation and quality. Japan GDP $4,112 billion. Japan's economy is driven by its leadership in technology and electronics, as well as a strong automotive industry. Its GDP reflects the value of its high-quality goods and services. India GDP $3,942 billion. India's growing GDP is fueled by its IT and service sectors, as well as manufacturing and agriculture. It has a large, young workforce and a rapidly expanding consumer market. United Kingdom, UK, GDP $3,502 billion. The UK's GDP benefits from its position as a global financial hub, with London being one of the world's most important financial centers. It also has strong media, pharmaceutical, and aerospace industries. France, GDP $3,132 billion. France's economy is diverse, with key sectors including luxury goods, automotive, aerospace, and agriculture. It is also one of the world's top tourist destinations, which contributes to its GDP. Brazil GDP $2,333 billion. Brazil's GDP reflects its abundance of natural resources, including minerals, oil, and agriculture. It also has a large industrial base and a growing service sector. Italy GDP $2,332 billion. Italy's economy is known for its high-quality fashion, luxury goods, and automotive industries. It also has a strong agricultural sector, known for wine and olive oil. Canada GDP $2,242 billion. Canada's GDP is bolstered by its wealth of natural resources, such as oil, minerals, and timber. It also has a growing technology sector and a stable banking system. These GDP figures reflect the economic output and wealth of these countries, which are influenced by various factors including natural resources, industrial capacity, innovation, and human capital. Each country's economic structure and strategic industries play a significant role in its overall wealth and position on the global stage. I hope guys you like this video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you very much for your precious time. Take care.